Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your account in Mobile Legends. Do it, click on your top left corner to open the profile, then go to account, then click on account center, and now you can cancel the account. So if you do it, it will get you to your browser. So let me just fix the angle. It's gonna get you to the browser. You should read these cancellation conditions, and if you have read them and agree to them, enable check this check mark, then click on next. Now read this one and also check this check mark, and now you will need to log in with either any of those accounts or select guest account. I'm gonna select guest account, and now the account has been deleted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.